Wow, Aquaba and Addo&Ghanaians TV GH so. What frame me Adwoa searching.
Yeah, also minister of communication. Me better what there. Me better. Won't me rise it down. Won't me rise it down. Me better what there. Pride goes before a fall. Go and read the Bible. I believe you are a Christian. I said pride goes before a fall. When you went to the vetting committee, I bisa was what do you have any secondary source of income? The answer you gave to the panel that it is your wife who takes care of you. That day no and I'll follow you. Hey, no matter what you will do, no matter what, unless one okopacho, because ahombrasiye, na me peja one o ahombrasiye. Owo opposition, wano, papa, ase ape tu pre, sana otie, LGBTQ, wo sheku for do ko ho did na time kan kwase asem e de teku for do. Wo free ho na obeyden. Wo sabe ka credit asem. Bebia galamsey. Wano NDC for penny for kwani say who communication officer who kasa. Hwe NSCST communication service tax untimi nya ho hwe. Hwe bisa obia me say the day na obi wa no e kan say ye wo yere e na ohwe wo ma chiki answer no e na obonsam tro wudin say wo obegu ni ma se potopon. Hwe minister say mama afa mo nyina wo na wo ye west ogu ho ni ma se. Ogu ho ni ma se. Tiny J or be treated bibi. That's a found to repair. No about respond to. Sa we communication minister to do. Be now do anoka. Imane Ghana. Betro de we. Hwe nkwasa sama wakoko tsugu. Enye bibia na verse or so ma wakuma ha na okoka. Debi, you are a minister for God's sake. Nye bibia na okoka. Wo e motafo adwene. E motafo nkola adwene. Ye hwe hu ye. Petre. Wo sate petre nya no. Petre. Won sa na osho no. Wo nkwa na odi mahama ban beko opposition. Wo sa kwa no. Some man say sawa. Within this year, with the ban beko opposition. Once the obia NDC for obia can wansem. Obia can wansem because one kasa no the day na you do call vetting that day no answer and the man will share say forever because Nyankopon hu say wo ya dwe.
It's like about semi-Roman camp, about 89% of them preaching and not preaching openly. And they say, "Yeah, makremuni, emma mede, so." Now, advances idea we are. Sorry, emani. Now, first time me be say, so for star on mine now we see more than petrol, air cost to abentia baumiano. Petro no aba form ana osofu meko osofu chinchinga osofu wahala sa wo campaign na wo ye no me patro galamsey ni ye jaye wo Ghana na osofu wo campaign na wo ye ditia MPP no ende wanya so mfaso ana ena ye se mo mamra metua BEC examination fees so say e wan no. Is this the Ghana you wanted? Is this the reset you wanted? But I don't blame you. Seriously, I don't blame the pastors. Sadly, they have some like unenthused citizens. Yes, yeah, dear. Ye me ni ya wanted to kwa etitate ya sorry them with sikano ye bokura no ni bi kura obekwa kugina we so mon pokai unim pefe within the 2 million. Ya boss 2 million for ni na sorry no sorry akugina ho. Na de ubedi epo no unibi. Osofo no wan ka dem. Osofo na ono first no opa akwohwe tete asofo Paul ne hwan no kwohwe bra omulidi ye. Na fa compare osofo na ubu ne chi Nyankopon no. Enam nkomtrofo a omo hyam nti. Me se ye nyina ye den yetimubi. Ye nyina yetimubi. Now let's start with what I said. One, you are missing the opportunity to transform Ghana because Dr. Bawumia aircon the campaign sunina okeka niama obeye And a party be Jinan Chen say, and near my Baumia so obey any nano, and your papa, and your correct, and your throat, and your good. Baumia say, ye gold back here currency. Put ye, the gold back here currency. John Jinapono say, a scam, and ya the papa, a prono. Yes, you gold, ever back here, then your foreign reserves. Yes, you know, so your chronoa, MP before person more. And ye tia akwasiampa phobia ye from media men in Ghana. Ye from media personalities in Ghana. The most bonkoso media people you can find on this earth, you can find them in Ghana. And they mostly exist in Accra, Kumasi. And kurasi for journalists, okay, kurasi ni journalists ya. Asem na all can want ya see. Onim de fareba ipo. Nanso, said the bear or the bad drive what they call views in Tino. Sa a Jimmy Fonet na radio station. It means a someone and this sneaking a tro. Nanso, say a casana crofobeti, and almost we could be esca. And a catakre. Now, Natin through crown YouTube before Madame Fuego. Or baby and the name said to some Yakunama. No, I'm burning in an anabo. And I'm thankful for any idea. And ya nan can you now nabo. Subject now, you'll be son of Yakraman in Foko or your research. The same call Ghana on. Sometimes, some call some of the shows, no, so it's like I'm rather the host. Cause host, no, or yes, what to me, Casa, yes, and I know, and went not through. There's no research. And Jakabna in the Tikondom. Akwasiampa bre ko twiko bre mani na ebu osakwa ni tirim eja kwabra metina UTV enyi bibi se o ene ye twa ye na evidence ni ani say that there be no wa ye nanim se bofo a wakotutu afom no wa betina ho ekom wa de ne nkwasiasem wo pesuo die enti no wa twe na NDC fo aba be twatropoto ye di di atampoto ne yeko ene Akuffo Addo ni obi o. The question I'm asking is Sandia mana NDC for car said Dr. Baumia, ya, scam, and ya papano. At then and Nadia, ya buy almost and one on me. A general Ukraine in Ghana, majority of the citizens know. It is so low to the point, say, every be number one. And Ubika say, Ubika BB say, Ghana is number 8 lowest IQ in Africa. And I was very offended. But say, who said the way I air corner? It is true. And the low IQ tells me, say, radio. Me NDC ni. Me win election. Me na meba power. Me se still amekwa kwashi police station. Mekwa kopamu obi afri in office. Ewa bra winim say, your president is appointing and no na to me anyone in some so be appointing. Enti sebi enya de ya MP before e wo ho no, ye be pamu bebre afri ho. You know that. But the low IQ no woni nti no. Oso obekwa kotu koko board for. Ye man the pen say won churo ni din a. Akwesi man who share NDC t-shirt when to and throw it. This one person cocoa. The low mentality of Ghanaians is what caused us Dr. Baumia. Because me, Mandan Jeneda, say NDC after making noise for 8 years and getting supreme government would even complain. But you catch Ghana for say, yeah, who am I paying? Some profile way, yeah, who am paying? Na wo mususu kruwa na wo mutrima ne sanka election no anka MPP winning because this is something that okay some people don't want to accept, but I'm telling you NDC did not think they were going to win this election. They catch you play. And that is the more reason why Aban Babin Abeka Kakra Yekoto Abano or said I said what to parliament said the Abaya near me says ya. Yeah, the bad new year no more. Yeah, the baby mine no brano. Yeah, to me, that is all you wanted to do, and that is why I can never respect such a criminal like Alban Babin. Yes, I said he's a criminal. He's a criminal because he's a candidate of the double salary. Na Ghana na full. Into kwasia bia to me read kakra bi ba yes speaker na wo wadwene kura ye adwuma speaker ade ne ya hyehyɛ over constitution a constitution said president vice and son who speaker no waba. So how do you tell me say obia o precede you in terms of power and authority no or no montie dia wo can because according to you we are also we heading an arm of government. Very, very foolish. Very, very foolish. But again, this is what we missed. Now, you look at where Nanado, Baumia, NPP, FR on my way, 2017, whilst we were still under IMF conditionalities. You to me to pull your near me giant, yes, and free education. 2018, yes, planting for food and jobs. And the Ghana Nina economy refrains you know. Every free BBA, let the answer say, and many be a God is good. Many be a DDR, all health should